Hello, hello. This is me. I'm your host, and today we're going to be talking about honey in beauty products. So please subscribe and carry on. I'm sure you are familiar with the Winnie Pooh, the little bear, because he was always eating honey, and for a good reason. Why? Because it's healthy not only inside but also outside. It's been known for centuries. It's been studied as well, and you can also find different literatures about honey. That's one of the books which I have. In general, the honey is good for your hair, skin, body, and also for the inside organs. Now, because honey is so rich in knowledge, it will take me a while to talk about. So I'm gonna try to post pictures in between so you can read some interested information about it. Here we go. Today, honey, it's widely accessible, so we can use it for baking, we can use it for inside and also for outside for our body. Now, honey, it's one of those things which will never go bad. For example, honey been known for centuries, and it's been easily found in Egyptian tombs and pyramids. And also because of its properties, in medieval times was used as a currency. There are many different types of honeys. Now, for the last few years, Manuka honey became really popular. The only difference between regular honey and Manuka honey is that Manuka honey has antibacterial properties. But otherwise, you can use it as a regular honey. Manuka honey is made out of Manuka flower trees, which grow obviously in New Zealand. And because of its antibacterial properties, it's a little bit higher on the honey shelf, and the price, obviously, it's more than the usual honey. But I did get a chance to try few products, so I can easily talk about them with you. 3 months masks are easily accessible, and the one which I did enjoy was with Manuka honey and collagen. The thing which I liked it was that it gives you hydration, and then once you remove it, your skin is really hydrated, nice and plump. I already used that mask, and because it comes in a big tube, it took me a while to go through. But I don't mind rebuying it again. Once I'm gonna go through the mask, which I actually have, guess what? I'm gonna repurchase it again. The other product was the Benigma Bee Venom honey, which has the Manuka honey, bee venom, and shea butter. I used 2 jars of the Benigma cream, and I didn't mind it. However, it has a thick consistency, so I will not recommend for combination or oily skin, but in case if you dry, you can easily give it a try. Now, I didn't mind that for the winter months, but otherwise it's kind of heavy because of the shea butter. Yes, I did use 2 jars of it, but now I will not repurchase because of the price, which is kind of high. So that's one of the reasons, and also the texture. Now, I did use it up. No, I will not repurchase. Other item was the Manuka honey mask, which I did use it up as well. And it's like a clay mask which you put it on. At the beginning, when you put it on, it's a cream mask, and then once it dries, it changed to a clay mask. So you want to remove it before it actually dries out. But even if you leave it for a little bit too long, it's still gonna be fine. I did enjoy the mask because it left my skin nice and hydrated. And you know what? I don't mind rebuying it again. When we think about honey, the first thing which comes to our mind are the bees. And with the bees comes the bird's bees. Now, there are a few items which I do like from the Bird's Beer lines, but they don't have the honey in it, so I'm not gonna talk about that brand. But in case if you did try some honey products, just please let me know. Another company which has honey products is Pharmacy. Pharmacy became famous within the last few years, I should say. The last few years, we heard about the company more and more. The 2 things which people like it is their Glow Honey or elixir honey. It's a serum with AHA, which is the glycolic acid, and the honey. So you can easily put it in the evening or in the morning, and it's gonna slowly exfoliate your skin. And because of the honey properties, it's gonna hydrate at the same time. And the second item is their honey mask, which been really famous and many people like it. If you ever watch YouTube videos about the mask, so far everyone enjoys it. The only minus is the price. It's not cheap. So in case if you do want to try pharmacy, either give a try for their travel sets or wait when they have some kind of a sale. Next items are from the Misha brand. That's their Bee Pollen Renew. I have their little set, which has soap, the little ampoule, and the moisturizer. As you can see, I didn't get a chance to use the soap, but I did try the moisturizer, which has consistency of the actual honey, and it's kind of, I'm not gonna say sticky, but I do like it because it does has vitamins, ceramides, and some other good stuff. This is the small jar which I have, but I don't mind rebuying the full one. And then from the same line, it's their ampoule, or I should say serum. And then from the same line, we'll have their little serum, which comes with the little pipette. And yeah, it's the same thing. It's kind of so here we go. Yep, it does hydrate. So for example, in general, the bee pollen will renew, rejuvenate, restore, and repair. I would say discuss about it, but if you're curious of the snake slime but you don't want to try it, you know what, give it a try for the bee stuff, because you're gonna get similar properties. And in case if you don't want to think about the snails, guess what, think about the bees. Okay, I catch on many items. So the last category, if I can put it that way, it's hair care. So I have some items from Garnier. Also, they have a whole line with honey. In here, I have two of their items. The first one is their leave-in conditioner, which is supposed to give you like 10 different benefits. So for example, seals moisture, detangles, soften, repair smoothness, prevents split ends, stain frizz, flyaways, and few more. The difference, this one you're gonna leave in your hair, and then the mask, you're gonna wash it out. Now the mask, of course, it comes in a tube, so it has a different texture. After you wash it out, your hair will be a little bit smoother. And of course, as a mask, it's gonna hydrate. Now, with the leave-in conditioner, I don't mind it, especially now that it's winter time. Your hair are really frizzy, so you want something heavier in order to keep them in place. So leave-in conditioner is perfect. I also went through many of their shampoo and conditioners, and I don't mind repurchasing again. Now, the new thing from Garnier, it's their ginger recovery with ginger and golden honey, which I was talking about it in my empties, but you know what, it's fine. I don't mind it because it does kind of repair your hair, make them smoother, and even when you brush them, you will have no issues. So yes, I did enjoy them. Yes, I did enjoy the product, and I don't mind rebuying it again because it's drugstore, it does its job, and it's easily accessible. So you can easily give a try for either or. Okay, so that was my video about the power of honey. So please do not underestimate honey because it's really powerful ingredients which you can use, or I should say it has many uses. So you know what, give it a try. You have nothing to lose, and also it's widely accessible, so maybe you can come up with your own recipe. But anyway, let me know if you found any good honey products. Let me know if you found any good honey products, so maybe I can try them as well. Anyway, till then, bye.